Welcome to Lucrece. Our exclusive skincare line consists of medical-grade products and facial protocols designed for all skin types and guaranteeing remarkable outcomes. Today, I will be showing you how to use the Pumpkin Enzyme Mask, expertly formulated with abundant pumpkin pulp enzymes, essential oils, and natural extracts. It provides deep cleansing and pore decongesting benefits, unveiling healthy and vibrant skin. Apply an even layer of the mask onto clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Then rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry with a soft towel. Recommended use is once per week.